I gave you slip. You draw that emoji belonging to your slip. Okay. Just you draw. Just for a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. On the slip itself. Sketch pen. No. You use only pen. Only take your mobile and draw as per that your slip. That's slip only. And that slip only, where did I write happy, funny like that? Under that only I have to on this slip only. Just you use your pen. If you have different colors, you can. Otherwise, you use only blue pen. Whatever you got the slip, you have to speak about that situation in your class, which you have faced with students, or in staff room, or in your journey, or in your class, or in old school. Wherever you face that kind of situation, you recall it, you remember it, and you have to speak about that situation for 1 or 2 minutes. The first row, who are interested, you can speak about. Otherwise, I can call names. Any of you? Just you involve in that situation. What kind of sleep you get? Just you think over it. That is the activity. And we have to discuss about this activity, how far it can be used. Because we have to discuss about an important situation, but that is the Lakshya about 10th class. Before interval.
In my 9th class English medium.
You tell the concept first.
Big smile.
Big smile. Sir got big smile concept.
Big smile.
Just you show the emoji. This is the emoji he had drawn. Big smile.
Okay. Smile.
Just.
Another person.
Just smiling. Good. Okay. Tell him.
So recently, 9th class English medium.
Please listen, madam. Please listen.
So they are unable to write the answer of why. So I became angry and said, "You don't know, you are now in 9th class and you don't know the difference between what and why. I am asking why and no one is writing the right answer." So immediately I wrote on the blackboard, yes or no questions, WS questions. And at that time I remember the old joke, and I think my old colleagues also know that. So I said that. So okay, listen to me. Once the American President Bill Clinton visited to Japan, and Japan Prime Minister doesn't know any English. So they trained him. So when Bill Clinton come at the airport, just to say, how are you? And then he said, I am fine, how do you do? And your reply is, me too. So only 2 sentences they trained him. So when Bill Clinton came there in a big aeroplane and the commandos are there, and in that situation, he was confused. And when he shook hands with the Bill Clinton, he said, who are you? I expect, who are you? So he became angry. Actually, he has to ask, how are you? And he confused and doesn't know. So I asked him, who are you? Well, let's shake hands with Bill Clinton. So he became angry and said, I am the husband of Hillary Clinton. So he said, me too. So students understood and they laughed. So I said, immediately returned to America. America helped you ran with Japan. So thank you.
Thank you. Give him a big clap. Next from this row, anybody?
Sir, my emoji is crying, which doesn't suit me at all because I always want to be very happy. I don't cry at all. So this is my emoji. And as far as the situation which Sir gave, Sir wanted to share our experiences, like when we felt sad or when we
Professional development.
Yes, professional development. We tend to do a lot of activities in the classroom. We have to go, sometimes we have to go beyond our boundaries to help the children. And as a process of that, generally my class will be, I'll be messing up with the things. My classroom will be very with full of papers and all that, because I make the children to participate in preparing puppets and preparing charts. So generally it will be very dirty and dusty and all. At the end of the day, we'll be messing up with the things. So what people comment, generally నేను ఫేస్ చేసిన కమెంట్స్ ఏంటంటే they pass the time in the classroom, which is not at all correct. So that makes us feel very sad sometimes. But what I feel is, I never cry, I never go into negative mood, but I take it as a challenge. And the very next day I prove them that English teachers are not normal teachers. English teachers go beyond the level of, their level of performances or anything. And then at the very next day we prove what are we. So I stand like that in most of the situations.
What is the particular crying situation?
That is the crying situation only, sir. That classroom appears for headmasters and for all the other teachers. The classroom appears that she's passing the time. She's sitting down with the students, and every time she's with the charts, she's with the puppets, she's with the dolls and all that. But my students learn a lot in that way. సో ఇప్పుడు మా క్లాస్లో, మా స్కూల్లో మా పిల్లలే చాలా యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తారు. నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను మీకు ఎంటైర్ గ్రూప్లో. వాళ్ళే క్లాస్లో వాళ్ళే పప్పెట్ షోస్ చేసేటట్టుగా వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ అయ్యారు అనమాట. బ్రోచర్స్ కానివ్వండి, అవన్నీ కూడా మేము ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం. ఐ డింట్ అటెండ్ సార్, అది లాస్ట్ మేలో అయింది. కానీ
Platforms are there. You know, our state president of Eldan, general secretary also in our district group, Vinadhar Raju sir and TV Rao sir, they are posting lot of information, and also so many platforms are posting, but some of us omitting to open even. That's we have to think about it, think over it, and please try to open it and try to participate. And there are a lot of platforms just like Step Arc, and so many are there. And particularly CCRT programs are there. In CCRT particularly 10 days orientation for puppetry show only and cultural interaction. I have been participated in Tripura, Agartala for 10 days. And in Dehradun for 5 days. And NCRT, a lot of programs are conducting belonging to this English language, particularly peace education and English language orientation. I have been to Delhi NCRT for 45 days. Like that, we have to develop, and this is not financial development or economical development. This is nothing but CPD. To acquire this kind of knowledge, we have to use this kind of platforms again. As the situation came, I am expressing about that. Please go through them and just try to open and try to involve them. Last year, there was nobody ready to participate in RIE Bangalore. When I came forward, along with me 4 members came. Not only one person is important. You have to involve and you have to encourage others to participate, to involve in these kind of programs. Our Malesh is in that room, and Rupa ma'am and 2 more came along with us. That is why this year also there would be an opportunity. Please try to spare your time to participate there. Our state government is sharing our amount to RIESI Bangalore every year. Without participation also the government is spending amount. They have to spend. Like that we have to participate, we have to utilize this kind of platforms. Okay, thank you. And I request from this third group, please introduce.
Good morning all of you. My name is Lingaswamy. I am from ZPHS Sitarapuram. So before announcing my emoji, I want that from your side. I will give you some clues. and I am sure you will tell what my emoji is. Okay.
Okay.
And I will start a quotation related to this. My emoji is a curve which makes everything straight. Okay. My emoji. It is curve which makes everything straight. And one more clue. You already got an idea, but I'll tell you some other things. So when we get up early in the morning, when we look at our face in the mirror, immediately that appears in our face, on our face. And when we meet any person, when we are going to wish any person, it spontaneously appears on our face. And when we enter our school, the children, they come to us with that and wish us. And immediately it spreads on our face also after looking at our children. And now you can tell, what's that? Yes, smile. And I am very happy to get this. Thank you very much. And so here, and I want to tell you one thing. So smile while you have still teeth. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your presentation.
One question. What is the longest word in the world? Smiles. Okay. I recollected.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Lingaswamy sir, once again. Your what we can call motivation, just motivational and introducing the theme of the concept. That is very nice. We are giving a big clap to you particularly, and I request you one from.
What's going on in our interview?
What happened?
What happened? All unions are posting their union, they feel like union groups.
The service organizations are different. Our not belonging to any union, particularly for our English language enrichment only. We are running that group.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why do they post that?
You see, na madam, many times. No, many times I have requested them, you and all. Don't, madam, you don't feel like that. Why are you getting angry with you for this?
Because of my emoji is angry.
Oh, you do that angry. Wow. This is live situation. Like this we can inculcate the funny or smile or angry or happy among the children, and we can interact with them, and also we can develop this kind of interest among the children. This is the main motto of this kind of activity, but don't forget to implement this kind of, so many activities are there and available with us. We have to implement. Okay, thank you. Shall we go for tea break?